Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to share and explain a very important and highly paid Canadian scholarship which is offered by Government of Canada, and that is known as Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship or CGS. Now the worth of this Canadian scholarship is $50,000 per year for 3 years during your doctoral studies. And the eligibility requirement is that any Canadian citizen, permanent resident or foreign citizen can apply for this particular scholarship. There are areas of research which are available, like health research, and as an engineering student, natural sciences and or engineering research is also included if you want to avail this prestigious scholarship. Now the nomination process you need to understand. Now we discussed about various Canadian university, the academic requirements and English requirements, and if you convince a supervisor, only then you can be nominated by the department, or even that faculty member can nominate based upon your academic excellence, research output, and the leadership abilities, which are usually the extracurricular activities which you are involved in. So if all these three areas are pretty much strong, that faculty member or your prospective faculty member or advisor or supervisor will nominate you for this prestigious scholarship. Now the selection criteria, as I mentioned earlier on, that is dependent upon your academic excellence, having excellent CGPA, and if you have excellent record of publications, and if you are having leadership qualities, and if you have participated in different seminars, if you have organized different lectures and seminars, and if you have contributed in various extracurricular activities, then there is a high chance that you will get this scholarship. Application nomination process is also given here, and the review process is shared, that what selection committee is looking for, how your application will be reviewed, and how and when the results will be shared, and of the previous winners are also given here. Information about the Vanier scholar. Now let's touch about the eligibility criteria. Now you need to confirm that you and your nominating institution meet all the criteria below before you apply for a CGS or the Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarship Program. Nominations that do not meet all the eligibility criteria will be deemed ineligible. So if you're applying, for example, at Western University, so you are definitely eligible to apply for this scholarship once you convince your supervisor, and if you think that your CGPA, publication and extracurricular activities record is pretty much good, so you can request your supervisor that we want to apply for this prestigious scholarship. Now the citizenship candidate eligibility, as I mentioned earlier on, that Canadian citizen, permanent residents and foreign or international students can apply for this scholarship. Eligibility of program of the study is also desired. Number of months of the doctoral studies, fast track and combined programs. Nominating institution information you can get from this link. Eligibility to hold a Vanier CGS or Canadian Graduate Scholarship. How you need to be a full-time student there. That's an important point. For MS or PhD program, multiple applications are not accepted. I guess that's only get nomination from one institute. So please kindly consider this opportunity as well, because it's highly paid, as US Fulbright scholarship. Please kindly all these links which are available about eligibility, instruction to applicants, that how you can fill the application, information for institutions, information for referees, and the review process as well. Just read a little bit about the review process. It will definitely help you in preparing your application. You can click on the academic excellence, that what they are looking for, how much CGPA they are looking for, and selection criteria, search on Canadian University, what indicators or what sources they look for. For example, the university transcripts, institutional nomination letter, which will be written by your supervisor. If you have already contacted your supervisor at a Canadian university, so they will write for you that he is an excellent candidate, he is having excellent academic record. You can write a common CV. I will talk about CV as well, because a few of your colleagues, they requested to talk about CV, what to write, what to include in the CV as well. Personal leadership statement, which I can help you if you want to write. So you can write a draft letter there, so I will definitely be helping you with writing the leadership letter and what you want to include in order to get maximum chances for this scholarship. Okay? In research potential, you need to include the projects which you worked on during your undergraduate studies. And the referee assessments are also required. Research contributions, research proposal, or the project you and your supervisor are working on, but your prospective supervisor will definitely guide you on what topic they need to focus on, so that it can get approved, and which are having most of the chances are there that you are likely to get that scholarship. In leadership are the extracurricular activities, impactful involvement and achievement in professional programs, associations such as sports, arts, science, business, etc., entrepreneurial achievement, festivals, competitions, charitable initiatives, foreign studies. I know many of you students, they were involved in charitable initiatives or different programs providing food to the poor people during Ramadan. So all these activities are listed in the leadership, so you can highlight those, and I will definitely be helping you out in writing leadership statements. Involvement in charity or non-profit organization, and there are other goal achievement, self-management, integrity, and other characteristics which are considered in your leadership section. Social skills are also highly rated in North American culture, so you can focus on all these sections there, the indicators and the sources, and you can write a leadership statement which will be submitted for this particular scholarship. So I would strongly recommend all of my students to please kindly look at these links which are shared here, and if you want I can share in the comment section as well, but please kindly do apply for this prestigious scholarship. Thank you very much, and Assalamu alaikum.